how to turn on or off share my location on iPhone X. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to privacy and security. Okay guys, here in privacy and security, go to location services. Here in location services, you can see the share my location. Okay, you can tap this and you can see here the share my location again. And on the right side of this, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to turn on the share my location, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. So if this turn on, share your location with family and friends and message and find my make personal request using Siri on HomePod and use automation in the Home app. And okay guys, we have successfully turn on the share my location. And to turn off again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, we have successfully turned on or off share my location on iPhone X.